Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect JustMarkets to MT5. So MT5 means that MetaTrader 5. You will be just download it from the App Store and simply just tap on it to open. So after this you will be just move in the right bottom corner option is the settings. Just tap on it and the second option you will see with this green icon new account. We will get in and now here is the broker searcher, so you will be just tap on it for just markets and here you will see in the top just markets limited. I will be just tap on it. So from here you will be just enter your login, your password and save this. So in this way you will just have to connect just markets to MT5. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.